Switching from a legacy domain to the dedicated domain. To start using dedicated domain for all your Voluum campaign funnels, you need to adjust click URLs on your landers if you have any, update your existing campaign URLs, change the domain in your tracking pixels if you're using ones. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to set it all up. Let's start. Go to the Settings. Click on the Domains tab. If you want your campaign funnels to be set with a secure connection, start with turning on the SSL certificate for the dedicated domain. Click on the Setting Up SSL link. The pop-up window will show up. Verify the domain displayed in the field. Read and agree with the adequate terms and conditions and select the checkbox to confirm that you accept those. Once you click the Setup button, you need to wait up to 30 minutes to make the SSL option enabled. If you don't need an SSL option for your URLs, you can skip this step. Next, set up the dedicated domain as a main domain. Thanks to all your new campaigns, click and tracking pixel URLs will have the new domain used. This won't cause changes for all the running campaigns. Campaign URLs set in the traffic source. Click URLs placed on lander and tracking pixels set on thank you pages will still keep the original domain. The next step will be to adjust them all. If you use landers in your campaigns, the best approach to migrate to dedicated domain will be to start with your landers configuration in Volume. You need to adjust your click URLs to match the new dedicated domain. If you don't use landers in your campaigns, you can't move to the next step. Go to the Landers tab, choose the lander you want to make changes to, and click Edit. Add the tracking domain parameter and the Volume tracking domain token to the lander URL. Thanks to that, we'll pass the domain used in the campaign URL to the landing page. Then you can use JavaScript to get it from the URL and use to build the click URL. To make it all work, copy the JavaScript code from the knowledge base and place it in the head of your lander code. Next, in the body section, in every single click URL placed on the lander, you need to inject a tracking domain value, using this script, which you can find in the knowledge base article. With this setup, during the redirection, the click URL on your lander will be adjusted based on the domain used in the campaign URL. Now you can continue on updating your campaign URLs. To do so, log into your traffic source panel. Replace the old legacy domain with the new dedicated domain. The rest of the campaign URL doesn't change. Carry on replacing the domains in the rest of your landers and campaigns. Remember that you don't have to change them all at once. You can continue anytime you want. For those who use tracking pixels or postback URLs for conversion tracking, follow up with the same procedure on the thank you pages, or change the domain of your pixel or postback in the affiliate network panel. Once ready, make sure that the redirection is working smoothly by clicking the campaign URL and testing the whole campaign funnel. Follow up with the rest of your campaigns. Thank you for watching.